Hi, today we're going to look at the MED Competition CV nut and split washer. First we're going to look at the standard nut, which we'll now screw in place onto the CV, and you will see the amount of slop in the nut. This is a particularly bad one, but even the best ones are not good. So we'll now spin this off and we'll put the MED nut on. And as you'll see now, there is no slop whatsoever. So what we've done is we've tightened up the tolerance on the thread so that it is a lot better fit onto the CV itself. We've also included a large washer that's inbuilt into the bottom of the nut to spread the load onto the CV tapered washer. On the actual slots themselves for the split pin, you'll notice that in the base corners we've put a radius in there to stop them breaking from the standard square corner, as you'll see here. So these are manufactured from EN24T and they're actually rough turned into size prior to going to heat treatment. So we take the bar, we cut it to length, we turn it to diameter, we bore the hole through the middle, and then it goes to heat treatment to take the T condition billet up to V condition, which makes it so much more tough. After it comes back from heat treatment, we then screw cut the thread, mill the hexagon, and we actually mill the slots for the split pin. We feel that the radiuses are very fundamental in the strength of the nut, because you can imagine if one of these does split, you're going to be into a catastrophe. So here are the two products that go together with the CV nut. This is the drive flange for the 7.5 inch Cooper S disc, and then we have the special EN24T tapered washer that drops into there. They're all made of EN24T, but different heat treatments on each item. This one is conditioned to V condition. The washer is basically plain hardened, and the drive flange, this one is just nigh tempered, so that will give it a hard surface finish. If you heat treat two materials together the same, when you lock one against the other, they will friction weld and gall together. So three parts that actually go together, all heat treated to different specs, so you don't get that problem. So there's the three products. You've got the CV nut, the taper washer, the drive flange. Obviously a lot stronger than standard, but the downside, obviously the cost. To machine these from the better quality material is a lot more expensive, but we feel it's worth it.